Assalamu alaikum. I am Taiba and you are watching your own channel Audiovisual Books. Ways of Learning. Today's editorial. In Delhi Dawn, it's 20th June 2020. Prime Minister Imran Khan is seeking ways to ensure the best possible answers to the country's education crisis brought on by uh, COVID 19 so that academic activities in the country can begin again. He expressed his concern at a meeting called to discuss the disruption in the education sector. In fact, the government will have to try and be innovative at all levels of education. Indeed, it has shown some resourcefulness in this direction by launching an education channel recently and reportedly has plans to introduce more such schemes. The education sector was the first one to be closed with the outbreak of the pandemic. It is still the most vulnerable of sectors and the most deserving of protection because of the large number of young lives involved. The new world that has to emerge on the basis of sobering new realities will determine new models to follow. But at the moment, a key strategy would be to try and improve technology and make it accessible to as many households as possible so that the greatest number of youngsters can benefit. Maximum protection is necessary as the country navigates a sensitive phase in public health with the graph of infection going up. It is true that the online system and other modes of distance learning, such as the one that employs radio to reach remote areas, are not quite equal to the classroom experience, particularly in a country not fully conversant with the idiom of modern technology. But at this time, there are not more options. Unfortunately, while many students and teachers have been availing internet facilities, the latter are off the reach of several others. Protests have been held by college and university students, such as those from Balochistan, where online learning is difficult on account of pure internet access and power failure. The government must address these issues as we are still some months away from returning to classrooms and lecture halls, perhaps even more, experimenting with smaller classes in more spacious places. Published in on June 20th, 2020. Please like and subscribe to be updated daily. Thank you.